There are many who come in our land to buy us, but along the line, they go back with plenty dead body. Things are happening. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. In this channel, we are trying to bring you update of wetin dey go on inside Nigeria, any part of Nigeria, for inside Biafra land and all over the world. May you know wetin dey happen. Before we go into the matter where we go today, if you know say you never turn your notification bell, abeg make you turn am on so that anytime wey we upload, you will be the first person wey go dey get our updates back to back. My people, the tori wey we get for hand today na Biafra Liberation Army. We updated you guys this morning of what is going on in Imo State, the bombardment that is going on in Imo State. So we also say we are going to come back and bring more information of what happened to you. So we are going to play you this video for you to hear what happened. Please try to check our next video. After this one, check the next video. You will see more detail over that place as well. So let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
Indeed, it is a great victory for us. The enemy have come to the land of Biafra to try their power once again, and their power have failed them. They really tried their best today because at least they fought till 2:30. They really tried today. And that is why I say they tried their best. And their best failed them. Their best have failed them because they have ended up wasting a lot of resources. It was early as 4 o'clock they start bombing inside the land of Biafra, which I will show you some pictures so far. I'm going to display some picture for you after this broadcast. But exactly some few minutes after 7, their foot soldier approach. They say they are known them as death squad. And indeed, they are death squad indeed, because they have met their death today. And the gallant men on the ground face them squarely. They have put on their best, but their best was defeated by Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighters. And they have nothing to do than to pack their dead body. And out of frustration and anger, they break into people's houses as usual and kill one old papa. They kill old papa because they could not lay hands on any gallant men. And we tell them that we are fully prepared for them. They will never understand what we mean. And when we tell them that they cannot defeat us, they do not understand what we mean. We have come to the land of Biafra to restore this holy land of Biafra. Nothing they can do us, and nothing they can do us. We were born to do this, and we will do this till the last day of our breath. Chukwu Okike Abiama will never allow us to fail, because our children and our unborn children and the land of Biafra depends on us. So therefore, the terrorists have come with a very new dimension. But as I told them before, that whatever dimension they came, this is the game we know how to play best. We always defeat them. We do not lose any single soldier. We do not lose any single soldier for today's battle, and we do not have any casualty. But trust me, because there were too many today, then died too many. The land of Biafra sucked enough blood. The land of Biafra sucked enough blood. These are the people that came with 20 armor tanks, both the modern armor tank and the old armor tanker to throw bomb. These are the people that came with so many different types of machine gun, and yet they could not do anything. When I tell them that they will keep on wasting their money and their resources, they will not understand that we are the owners of the land and we are the bridge they can never even see. If they should count their debt, it is more than 50. So people around them, people that see them going home crying, should ask them how far. Nigeria government, how far today? Our market. Our market. Asadi have deployed his boy to come and try their power. As usual, they are dying. I heard some of them shouting, what kind of people are these? We are the people you cannot see, and we are the people that will end you up. We are your debt. Biafra Liberation Army are your debt. It does not really matter how many you are. It does not really matter how you came. It does not really matter the weapon you came with. What really matters is that in the land of Biafra you will end up. In the land of Biafra is your end. You will die here. I've seen today's war have come to an end. While they go out with their dead body, we prepare for the next day. And that was why I told you in the morning that you have nothing to be afraid of, because we outnumber them and we are greater than them. The only thing they know to do best is out of frustration they start killing innocent people. And that is why we always encourage the people staying around the village where the battlefield located should always leave their home and get inside forests or bushes. Inside bushes you are safe. In your house you are not safe. Because these people, out of frustration, they will break into your house and kill you. But if you run inside bushes, they cannot enter bush, because there are so many things that will fight them inside bush. Snake is there to kill them. That is why many of them cannot even enter bush. You'll be hearing them shouting, don't enter bush, don't enter bush. You cannot come to the land of Biafra and think of going back alive when you come with the intention of killing the children of the land. So therefore, today's battle is indeed a blessed one. It is another victory that have been added to the gallant men on ground in Osumowo. So therefore, Nigeria...
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, she will tell you, say, most of all these things where they go on, all this media where you expect, they no go tell you, you no go hear them for that side. Because if they talk Nigeria government go either ban them or find them as well. That's why I see say they no go report them. They will only report Nigeria army invaded. If they succeed in invade, they will not report them. The Nigeria army invaded one ESN camp. More than a ESN or no BSN, they will tag an ESN camp. So that is the thing. If people don't want your freedom, this is the language they will speak to you. But one thing they have to understand is that you cannot kill ideology. You cannot kill the belief of people. That's why they have a radical Muslims today, because what they believe on it strongly. So whatever you are saying is not their business. So Biafra should be something that people will sit down and they talk about it. If the Biafra insists on going, then let them go. Let them go, because keep holding them down, the country will never move forward. I don't know who are advising Nigeria to clamp them down with guns. We have more army, we have more this one. No, those people you fight before that resist you for 3 years have born people that will resist you for decades. If the thing escalates to extent of where everybody now believe in Biafra, because at the time now, there are some people that still believe in one Nigeria. But when you pushing it, you will get to a time where everybody now will believe in Biafra. And you will see that this thing will escalate to a point of every man, women in Biafra land now believe in Biafra. And they will pick up arms. You can't enter the territory anymore. When you escalate it too much, the state will reject you. You cannot enter the territory of any state in Biafra anymore, because they have rejected you people. But if you do it in a peaceful way, they will not be a terror to you tomorrow. They will always see you as a brother who they have lived together before. You see what is happening in Israel today, in Palestine? Forget whatever story that happened between them. But remember that there was a time where Palestinians and all some Hamas, whatever they call them, and also their neighboring want to kill Israel by all means. But do you know what happened today? That Israel are building something on the ground. They don't know until when Israel began to show them their power, what they can do. Do you know that Israel today have a weapon that can wipe out all Palestinians without even radiation? Do you know that? And this weapon, only them have it, if I'm not mistaken, in the world. So now you see the level of destruction going over there, because the people that have been, even though you are come to your land and you give me a portion, I start living there. Then you turn to kill me. You have given me there, you have given me. So now, the thing that will happen in Biafra is going to be more deadly and more dangerous if the way federal government are handling this issue. Let me remind you something. The war they fight before was never their plan to fight a war with Biafra. But their plan was to come and conquer them, capture them, but they end up coming and seeing people defending what they believe on for good 3 years plus. So it is not gonna be easy the way you guys think it. The more the war is going on, the more the Biafras will become more dangerous. Give to Nigeria. And that time, all those people that live around Biafra who say this one, that one, you will run away from that land. So be very careful, Nigeria government, the way you guys are going about this. Okay guys, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Very, very important.